Thank you for joining me on exercise 3D. I'm going to be looking at part A, and we will look at part 1, part 2 and part 3 for this question. Now it says find the values of the given parameter for which the equation has two distinct real roots. Well, when you see two distinct real roots, it means that our discriminant value, b squared minus 4ac, is going to in fact be positive. It's going to be greater than 0. Now, this question gives you a formula and it says mx squared plus 2x minus 5 equals 0, and we want the value of m. Now this question may very well ask a different way of asking, and I'll put this in a cloud. A different way of asking is name values for m, such that the equation y equals mx squared and the line y equals 5 minus 2x have two distinct intersects where it crosses twice. And that's the same sort of question because you've got this parabola and you've got some line, and what you have to do is let them equal each other. And if you take mx squared to solve, you let where that equation equals that equation, 5 minus 2x, you end up with mx squared plus 2x minus 5 equals 0, and you end up with the same equation. So just watch out for that. That's Malaysian. Watch out for that type of equation. So b squared, we're told that b squared minus 4ac, two distinct roots, so it's greater than 0. So b is 2, a is m, and c is negative 5. So b is 2 squared, a is m, and c is negative 5 is greater than 0. So 4 plus 20m, 4 5s are 20, 2 negatives positive, it's greater than 0. So 20m is greater than, take the 4 across to be negative 4, and m is greater than negative 4 over 20, therefore m has to be greater than negative 1/5. Part 2. What if there is one real repeated root? One real, tongue twister, repeated root. Well, in this case, what they're saying is the discriminant b squared minus 4ac is equal, one repeated root, it equals 0. So we're going to only get one root or one result or two real repeated roots. They're the same. So here we've got still got the same same values as before. We've got 2 squared minus 4 times m times negative 5, but in this case it equals to 0. So 4 plus 20m equals 0, 20m equals negative 4, negative 420. So m is equal to, m must equal negative 1/5. And finally, no real roots. If the question says, all right, we want no real roots, what they're saying is the discriminant, the b squared minus 4ac, is going to be negative. So in this case, 2 squared minus 4m and c is negative 5 is less than 0, and so we get 4 plus 20m less than 0, so 20m less than negative 4, m less than negative 4, 20. Therefore, m has to be less than negative 1/5. So this is the same m negative a fifth, negative a fifth, negative a fifth, but different regions. Greater than negative a fifth, 2 roots, equal negative a fifth, 1 real repeated. Actually, just fix that up. It's 1 root, but 2 real repeated roots. I think the question says 1 real repeated root. Oh, okay, it does say 1. 1. It's the same root, so it's repeated. Okay. I hope this has helped. Until next time, stay happy.